BPC-157 is a research peptide that has been studied for its potential role in supporting tissue repair and healing in animals, including dogs. However, it is important to understand that it is not an officially approved veterinary medication, and standardized dosing for dogs has not been established. Some experimental studies suggest it may support recovery in muscles, tendons, and soft tissues, but evidence is still limited and not fully verified in veterinary practice. Because of this, safety, quality, and correct usage are not well defined. There are no confirmed dosage guidelines for dogs, and improper use may carry unknown risks. Always consult a licensed veterinarian before considering any experimental treatment, and prioritize proven, approved therapies for your dog's health and safety. For a dosage calculator, detailed benefits, potential side effects, which dogs should avoid this medicine, and safe serving ideas, visit our website through the link in the description.